Wow! We found so many dinosaurs! Have a look! Let's take a picture of the Tyrannosaurus Rex! Correct! Barbell. Adult black bear. Adult elephant. The elephant is too heavy. Even the Tyrannosaurus Rex cannot lift it. The Tyrannosaurus Rex's small arms are so strong. Look, Tyrannosaurus Rex seems to be searching for food. There doesn't seem to be any food nearby. Where should I look? Let's see how it searches. Wow, it's amazing! There's actually food in the distance! The meat is in the middle of the pile of rocks. How did the Tyrannosaurus Rex find it so far away? It has an accurate sense of sight. It has a good sense of smell. It was put there in advance. That's not right. Let's look. That's not right. That's right. Tyrannosaurus Rex's sense of smell is better than a dog's nose. Let's do a test. Find velociraptors hiding in the grass by its scent. That's awesome! We found all the velociraptors! Let's see why Tyrannosaurus Rex has such a sensitive nose. Yes! This is the Tyrannosaurus Rex's olfactory bulb. This is a human's olfactory bulb. Wow! A human's olfactory bulb is so small. This is a dog's olfactory bulb. A dog's olfactory bulb is bigger than a human's. See? Now you know why Tyrannosaurus Rex has such a sensitive nose. I see! The bigger the olfactory bulb, the more sensitive the sense of smell. Sensitive nose. What's the Tyrannosaurus Rex doing? There are so many big rocks ahead, we can't get past them. The Tyrannosaurus Rex's teeth are so sharp that it can crush such a big stone. How does the Tyrannosaurus Rex attack? Bite with teeth. Shoot laser. Attack with feet. That's right! The Tyrannosaurus Rex usually attacks with its teeth, which are shaped like a banana, and has the strongest bite force of any land animal. Bite force means the force generated when the mouth is biting up and down. Let's see how powerful flesh. Bone. Tree trunk. Boulder. Small car. Wow! Tyrannosaurus Rex's bite force is awesome!